What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Angele if this is your first time here, and welcome to the video. Today we're doing another installment of the color series. This is yellow for June. Yeah, if you're interested in how I got this to look, the products I used, then you know the deal, you know the drill, and you know the vibes. Let's get it. Okay, just bronzed my cheekbones and on my forehead. Now we're going to blush. And using the Jeffree Jawbreaker palette, going in with the yellow shade. Wow. And this is a Aesthetica P12 brush. It's a very large dome brush. I would usually like contour with this, but I'm going ham right now. So I'm gonna put that all on my cheeks. And it's not gonna look as yellow as it does in here. Look at that angle. Eee. It's not gonna look like super bright yellow. Matches my shirt. It's gonna go a little bit more orangey tone, and that's fine. I'm gonna put on my cheek. I'm going to my temples as well. Alright, I'm also going to put that over the bridge of my nose. What are we thinking? I'm also gonna take that shade where I bronzed. And when I tried this look yesterday, I mixed WOW and stuck like a little bit, like, and then more yellow, mostly the yellow. And I focused this like on the outside, just to like help a little bit with dimension. I have like a bronzy tone, makes it a little bit bronzier. It's like I didn't really need to bronze, but the bronzer gives like the base undertone that I want. To finish off the complexion, we have Fenty Beauty Trophy. How perfect! How perfect is this? Going in with it's kind of a big highlighter brush. This is a Morphe Y11. Stunning. Perfect for this look. It's going to highlight like I normally would. It's probably gonna be one of my favorite color videos. I'm gonna put this on my body. You're gonna look like a yellow tin woman. Okay, I came in a little bit closer so you can see what's about to go down. I'm going in with the NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner in Vivid Halo. Beautiful. My nails are so much greener than yellow, but anyway. This is very pastel yellow. My stopper is like really intense. We're gonna draw some sunflower. It's supposed to be sunflowers, but it kind of just looks like regular flowers. And how I do this, just take my eyeliner from, you know, the applicator. Can you see this? It smells like matte oil. Okay. You got so much texture. You kind of do this however you feel, like the placement. You could do however you feel. This is just how I do it. It's kind of like flower freckles, kind of, barely, not really. So I draw like one petal Another petal. Okay, so that's all I'm gonna do on that side. I'm gonna do the other side off camera and then show you the rest of what I do. I'm using the ABH liquid liner just because this is honestly the best liquid liner I have for this purpose. It's like the same component as the NYX, but a felt tip, right? So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go into the middle of the flowers, can you see, and do tiny dots, like that. So cute, like that. I'm also gonna use that same liner, and just for the listen, there's no real method to this, okay? Let me tell you. Just gonna randomly do lines through. Okay, now back to my NYX eyeliner. This is white liquid liner, same kind of packaging. Oh my god, this just leaked out. Gonna do the same thing with the line situation. I'm also gonna do white dots around. I wish I used this for my butterfly look. I'm going in with the Colourpop Honey palette because it's a yellow look and I have it. And I actually didn't start using this palette until yesterday, and I've had it for months. I've just been waiting on this look, I guess, right? This is what the palette looks like. I did do this look with this glitter shade yesterday, and now I have glitter everywhere. I'm pretty sure I swallowed a piece of glitter. There was glitter in my eyeballs. So I don't think I'll ever use this glitter shade again. It's not eye safe. Yeah, not intended for the immediate eye area. And like, it didn't make the look any better, so I'm not using that shade when I do the look today. I'm going to do the usual sped up because it's just eyeshadow. And yeah, as always, I'll list the brushes I'm using. So let's get into these eyes. The hard part is definitely over.
I like the bed to myself. Nobody stealing covers. I like to drink to myself. So I'ma have another no. I don't need a hand to hold tight. Don't need a love that's all mine. But sometimes I just want somebody to talk to. Someone that's on my mind. I want something that's all cool. And it don't waste my time. Yeah, I just want somebody. Just want somebody. I just want somebody to talk to. Somebody to talk to. I like to drive by myself, so I control the volume. I like to dance by myself, so I can do my own moves. No, I don't need a hand to hold tight. Don't need a love that's all mine. But sometimes I just want somebody to talk to. Someone that's on my mind. I want something that's all cool. And it don't waste my time. Yeah, I just want somebody. Just want somebody. I just want somebody to talk to. Somebody to talk to. I wanna have somebody, somebody that's cool. I wanna have somebody, somebody that's cool. I just want somebody to talk to. Someone that's on my mind. I want something that's all cool. And it don't waste my time. Yeah, I just want somebody. Just want somebody. I just want somebody to talk to. Somebody to talk to. Yeah, I just want somebody. Just want somebody. Yeah.
Listen, would you believe me if I said I put the lashes on the wrong eye? Like, they're supposed to be swapped, but you can't really tell. So I love these lashes. Love these lashes so much. So much. So much. This is Lashaholic Instaglam 2.0. No, Instaglam. Got these in a Boxycharm. So pretty. And I used Pat McGrath Fetish Eyes mascara. To finish off, the lips are going to be very simple. I'm going to use Patrick Ta. And I'm going to put on some Trophy Wipes over that. I don't have the Trophy Wipe gloss. Oh. I don't have a gloss that's like very golden, so. Stunning. Am I done? Wow, I also put glue way too close into my inner corner and almost blinded myself. I'm gonna use the Sephora lip lacquer, Fearless, just on the inside. For like some more color. What do we think? Okay, So that's it. That's the end of this video. I'm so happy with this look. I think it's super cute, it's pretty. I know it's not like wearable. The eye look is wearable, definitely. Also, I wanted to say that yesterday when I was practicing this look, I used for my lid shade, I used this shade right here called Lemon Drop from Jeffree, and today I went in with Dandy from Colourpop instead. Super similar. I don't even remember which one was which. Super similar. I think this is Jeffree. Both very pretty, but you know, might as well just stay in the one palette, you know what I mean? So that's the end of this look. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like me, if you like this video, hit the like button down below. Comment what you think of this look, what you think next month's look is gonna be. It's July. I still don't really know what color it's gonna be, but let me know what you think. Yeah, so comment down below, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification if you're feeling froggy. I post every Saturday and Wednesday. If you like me, if you like this video, share it to a friend, one friend, all your friends, Instagram, Twitter, like all my social media down below, like my card down below if you're interested in any of the makeup I'm selling. Thank you so much for watching, and hope to catch you in the next one. Bye.